Deal with the Devil, The Invasion of Culture, American Dream.
Memories worth dirt. Shatter a relationship. Endless destruction.
Abandonment of the foundation releases self-celebration.
Seduction of lies, shatter the intruding force, release no regret.
Christine!
Oh, I'm gonna cry. Interesting. The women before you chose me the same thing. Shocking death. Apologies, we do not have time for shock. That semi-truck driver will have a dead in a few moments. Let's start. Are you ready?
Who are you?
Death, God, maybe Satan, whoever you want me to be.
Dead. I can't be dead. Christine, she's still in the back seat.
She's safe in the backseat. That booster was simply atrocious. You are right. You're not dead, Kurt. You're close. Tell me, Kurt, do you deserve to go back to live?
Yes, Christine, she still needs me.
Interesting. The last time you were in that chair, your stomach was pumped full of benzos and bottles of alcohol. You're begging me not to go back.
That was college. It was my junior year. Things were way different back then.
They were. Abigail was alive and you two had not met. I don't think these bottles do her justice. I never met her. She was too far gone. Tell me, Kurt, do you remember us meeting?
It seems familiar, but I can't fully remember.
That's how death time works. Outside of it, it never exists. But we've been here before. Do you know why I sent you back? I was curious. I wanted to know how different two meanings of the same person could be.
What are you doing?
I'm sending you back. You'll be taking that truck driver's years. He has nothing left to live for but bottles. Goodbye, Kurt. Until we meet again.
Memories of a photograph relationship. Shattered. Pieces lost.
Sisters shattered. Break. Centuries of betrayal. Poisoning to them.
Deal with the devil. Red, dirty, pulse, feeding the rot.
The American dream is the loss of culture. The
loss of history.
AR-345, a thin blue robot, hovers home through his futuristic neighborhood. His digitalized face gleams as he passes by homes that float in the air, homes made completely out of glass and gigantic metal mansions. Finally, AR-345 reaches his humble abode, a basic one-story brown suburban home. Joyfully, AR-345 enters his lackluster home.
Honey, I'm home. Perfect timing. You won't believe what just came in.
R28 touches AR-345's hand. Their magnetic metal connects, and R28 giggles as she pulls AR-345 to the living room. When they reach the living room, R28 grabs a small device off the furnace. She sets the device on the floor and turns it on. A hologram of a futuristic 8-story home is displayed from it. our 28th face displays.
Perfect timing. Oh, honey, isn't it great?
What is this?
The blueprint of our new home. I know you were against tearing down this old thing and building another, but I thought if you saw it, you would happen to change your mind. It's beautiful, right?
It's great. It really is, but I refuse to tear down this house, R28, and you know that.
Honey, this place is old.
It's vintage.
No, it's old. We still have a mailbox. No one even delivers mail anymore. We have telepathic sensors, and don't even get me started on our kitchen. Why do we have that? We don't eat.
But the creator could.
And the creator is dead. You know, when I married the great-great-grand invention of the creator, I thought I would be bathing in riches and live in a mansion, but I'm stuck in this brown box. You know, I bet there's mold in here. Mold doesn't even exist anymore, AR345. I'm invoicing the house scanners.
When my father deactivated, he told me to protect this house my life. Sure, it's a bit dated, but my father said that when the humans were around, something called the 90s kept coming back in their trends. Soon enough, everyone's going to be jealous of our hip kitchens. We'll be trendsetters.
Ever, AI345. When I invoice the house scanners, if they detect any mold, we're building our new home. And that's final.
My Hilo Villa, our broken foundation, reflection in sister space. Sacrificing the mother tongue rots foundations of bleeding regret. The lies in the teeth of intrusion lie naked in abandonment.
I don't know what they want me to do. I don't know what they want me to do. I can't do anything. There's nothing I can do. If I sell the house, I lose everything that I've ever loved. But if I stay here, I'll lose everything that I need.
I don't have any money. I don't have any money. What do they expect me to do? This house? It's more than just 4 walls. This house, it's where I grew up. It's where I took my first steps. It's where I watched my family crumble around me.
This house is my home. How do they expect me to just walk away from it? How do I expect to walk away from my history? There are things here, people, voices in the walls. They speak to me sometimes.
Mi vida, they say. Ven aquí, mi vida. Come home. I am home. I shout, I am home. But I'm not home. Mama used to always say, home, mi vida, home is with your family. But where is my family now?
Gone?
Gone.
Forgotten?
Forgotten in these walls.
In these walls?
Is my family in these walls?
Is my family in these walls?
Yay! Come on up, everybody. Get up. Take a bow.